Hello, so today what we're going to do is we're going to cover how to run one variable statistics on a list that you have previously input. Okay, so what you want to do again is make sure your calculator is on. Once you have that calculator on, what you're going to do is you're going to find the list that you want to run the one variable statistic on. So if you don't know what list that is, that's fine. You can always go to stat. All right, go to stat, and you can always go to edit the list. All right, so go stat, edit, and then one, and you're going to be able to see all of the lists that you have here. Okay, and if you notice, I only have entries on list one, so what we're going to do is we're going to use list one. So again, you're going to have to exit out of this screen and go back to the start screen. In order to do that, you hit second mode, and that allows you to quit the screen. Now, we're going to run the one variable statistic on list one. So we're going to go again to stat, and we're going to scroll over to the right underneath the one that says calc. This is for calculate. And we're going to see a couple of different options, and you're going to see option one is a one variable statistic. So we're going to be able to choose that by pressing enter. And then it's going to ask us what list do we want to run the one variable statistic. Ideally, you can do this on list one, but in any case, you can always do it under list two, list three, list four, list five, or list six. If that was the case that we ran it on list two or list three, we always have the option to select the different lists by selecting or by pressing the second button and then pressing the appropriate list number. Okay, but since this is under list one, I'm going to leave it under list one, and all I'm going to do is press enter till I get to calculate, and then press enter again. You're going to see the calculator runs the whole operations here, and it actually gives you the mean here, so it gives you X bar. It also gives you a lot of very nice, useful information. It gives you the standard deviation for your sample, standard deviation for a population. It also gives you how many items you entered in the list. And if you scroll down a little bit below that, it also gives you your 5-number summary, beginning at the minimum, then Q1, then the median, which is also Q2, then Q3, and then it also gives you your maximum. All right, so that's how to run a one variable statistic on a given list.